Today, I will show you exceptional method of propagation guava tree. First, you need to select the mature guava branch. Take a sharp knife, make a ring shape, remove the bark 3 to 4 inches. Use a knife to divide the stem into 4 parts. Separate them with insert stick and wash the branch. Take cocoa peat on a pot and mix with some turmeric powder. Turmeric has antifungal and antibacterial properties. Now take a plastic cup, cut off one side of the cup, place it on the branch, and secure it with electrical tape. Fill the cup completely with cocoa peat. Cocoa peat has a high water holding capacity. If you don't have cocoa peat, you can use garden soil. Water it well. After 1 month, look friends, how beautiful the roots have grown. Once the roots well developed, carefully separate the branch from the mother plant. Now, I will plant this tree in a pot. Then, water the new plant thoroughly.